Hello guys, my name is Sahil Ashist and welcome to my channel, and first of all a happy new year. And the first video of this year is having a quite a conventional topic. As from the name of the video, you know how to install a Windows XP from USB. Actually, the reason why I decided to make the video was this: that when I found on internet, when you search how to boot a Windows XP from USB, there are many methods as shown, some of them via CMD and another one via Win2Flash software and other softwares. But I found a one common problem in all those methods, and this goes to this. When we boot the pen drive, actually while booting, selecting the USB HDD, it shows this option. When we choose the first option for text mode boot and then second GUI mode boot, and it seems to be us and make us give a reason to think that it seems to note the same as of when we boot from CD, because in CD, when we boot from CD or DVD, this option never comes in front of. The problem of this option is that when after installing the Windows properly, every time when you need to run the Windows, installed Windows, every time you need your pen drive to run this Windows, it has written that for first start of Windows, but no, every time when you need to start the Windows, you need that pen drive to boot that window. It seems to be like there is a terms and condition. If you want to use this Windows XP, you always need a pen drive to start the window. So it seems to be a problematic for someone like me. I can't always put my pen drive with a bootable XP all the time to access my PC. But yes, we know it's 2020 now, and even Windows 7 is now going to obsolete. So why Windows XP we are talking? There are many systems in the world right now which are not capable of even running on Windows 7 old configuration, and they still users are using Windows XP there. But now the generation is going to be more digital. The CD DVDs are now obsoleting mostly in the PCs, because the pen drive have overtaken them. Even for installing the latest generation Windows, now the pen drives are recommended. They're fast, moreover. But if we want to install a Windows XP exactly same as like we install Windows 7, 10, 8 with no problem, just like CD, then yes, it is possible. But the given present methods, these methods are not capable of that. So today I will tell you how to install the Windows XP. Maybe I'm the first who is giving this technique. Maybe. I don't know whether someone will given, but this is the proper way of installing a Windows XP, like you're installing with the CDs without any problem, and you can even confirm it by your own doing. I'm telling you. Just a simple thing is just to connect a USB drive, and after that install total USB. Let me name it as for your son APC, and then I will open this application. Its name is Rufus, RUFUS. It's a very small application, but this is the only application which will help you to install a Windows XP in a through pen drive. So here is our device name. We have to select it for BIOS, yes, for the default FAT32, and then after we have to select the ISO image, select the image, and this is the our Windows XP image. And then after we just have to click on the start and OK. Make sure your pen drive is empty and no important data, because while making the USB it will format it. So if you have any data, please make sure you backup it. And after you are now seeing that the software is working on it and copying the files from the image to the pen drive and making it bootable. After the process is completed, it will look like this, and after that we have to just close it and when we look on the pen drive, it will look like this. And after closing the PC and restarting again and selecting the USB HDD for booting the PC, it will directly show, just like on the CD when it shows press any key to boot from CD or DVD, it will show like press any key to boot from USB, and the process will be exactly same like of the CD or DVD, and there will be no interference with this option like this. I'm sorry, yeah, like these options, and definitely this will never come if you follow the steps or by the software reviews, and your Windows will be installed perfectly without any problem, and it will never ask again the USB bootable device to start the Windows. It will be like installed like the CD. Thank you guys.